red button status is high, then the red LED should be low. If you're wondering why it's inverted, it's because the way that the pull-up function works is that it switches things around. So in this case now, the red button again, when the status is low, then the red LED button should be high, right? So let's test this. If I've not made any mistakes, it should work flawlessly. So we have that. You see the yellow LED is on, and then the red LED is on. Now, we had a bit of trouble in this particular experiment. In a typical breadboard, you have these rails. So like this can be a positive rail or a negative rail, and some of them are color-coded. Now, one thing you need to be very mindful of is that for some breadboards, this entire thing is connected. So when you plug something in here, it will also be connected to anything